Front-End Web Development Roadmap 2025. Number 1. Internet or Web Basics. Understand how websites work. HTTP, HTTPS. Domain, hosting, DNS, client-server model. Number 2. HTML. Structure web content. Headings, forms, semantic HTML. Images, links. Number 3. CSS. Style web pages, box model, flexbox, grid, media queries, animations. Number 4. Git or GitHub. Version control and collaboration. Init, commit, push, pull, GitHub pages. Number 5. JavaScript. Add interactivity, variables, DOM, events, functions, ES6 Jor. Number 6. Advanced CSS. Enhance UI, UX design. CSS variables, SCSS, Tailwind, dark mode. Number 7. React.js. Build dynamic spas, components, hooks, state, props, router. Number 8. Front-end tools. Boost productivity, NPM, Vite, Prettier, ESLint, DevTools. Number 9. UI frameworks. Rapid UI development, Tailwind CSS, Material UI, Chakra UI. Number 10. Advanced topics. Deepen front-end skills. TypeScript, Next.js, Zustand, Framer Motion. Number 11. Deployment. Make projects live. Netlify, Vercel, Domain setup. Number 12. Build portfolio. Showcase your skills. Portfolio site. React apps. Projects. Do subscribe, like, and share my channel, Ama Codes Plays.